Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I thank you so much for tuning in. Today, guys, I am participating in the Men of Your Life, or the Men in Your Life Tablescape. The host for this collaboration is Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. Now, her co-host is the wonderful Vee-Ology. Now, I don't know if you know their channels, but I tell you what, I've left links to both of them down in my description box, and I hope you go over, pay them a visit today, show them some love. Both of these ladies have fantastic content, fantastic channels. Also, make sure you visit that playlist because you will see tons of creators participating in this collaboration, and you will see some truly awesome tablescapes. Now, guys, you just watched a little slideshow, which was the beginning of my tribute to the men in my life, and now I will show you my tablescape. And before I do that, I just want to say, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll consider doing that today. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell 2 times so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, guys, after you watch the video, I will pop back on for a minute or two just to say thank you. So here is the men in my life. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're still with me to this point, I thank you for staying on to the end of the video. I just wanted to come back on, and first of all, remind you to go check that playlist. You're going to see a ton of creators on there and lots of beautiful tablescape and tributes to the men in everyone's lives. Also, make sure you visit Creatively MsMe with Stephanie and Vee-Ology. Again, there are links in their channel to their channels in the description box, and I want to thank both of them for bringing together or putting together this wonderful collaboration. Again, if you're not a member of this channel, DIY Design by CCW, I hope you'll join this family today. Make sure that you hit the subscription button, tap that notification bell 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, I just want to close by saying, as I do at the end of every video, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.